It's amazing what technology can do. What I'm trying to do is get you guys all today to think about what you look like 100x the version you are today.
The pace of change right now that everyone finds so remarkable and cause for such anxiety and discussion, this is the slowest it's going to be for the rest of your life.
And again, the technology wasn't the issue. The process, the project plan weren't the issue. The technical details of getting it done weren't the issue. It was the emotions.
If you're not trusted, nothing else you do matters. No one wants to connect with you. No one wants to do business with you. People who never thought of AI as a problem before start to worry about it. We need to get on the right side of that cusp again very, very quickly.
Better questions is the point, and not having an answer is also the point.
As non-technical people wanting to use this in our organizations, boom. If you want to understand the foundations of AI, this is where you should focus your attention, because this is where the action is happening.
So we need to build up those business analysis skills to really understand how on earth we're going to exploit AI and make sure we don't break the business at the same time.